Can y'all see me? Let me see. I hope y'all can see me. Ooh, that's dark. Okay. I hope y'all are doing well this Wednesday evening. It is not long time no see this time. I told you guys about 10 days ago I was going to head out on a mini vacation, which I did. I enjoyed myself. I recharged, rejuvenated. I feel amazing. And then I thought I had COVID when I came back, but I don't. Thank God. And so I want to get on here today and I just want to go over one of our favorite pairs, GBPUSD, and see what's going on. Now I got to tell y'all, being away, I have not been trading. And so when I looked at this chart, I'm like, what in the world happened? Like, did the US dollar get super strong? I think that might be the case, but let's go ahead. Let's dive into this chart and let's see what's going on. Oh, y'all, I got GBPUSD pulled up. I got to be honest with y'all. I haven't traded in a little bit. So, this is, yeah. Wow. Look at this. Are y'all looking? Like, look, price has dropped in a matter of, let's call it 7 days, 530 pips. That's just a quick estimate. There's probably more in there. But we, looking at this on the daily, we were at 1.3, which was a major level of structure. We blew past that. Wow. What? I'm going to have to look and see what happened. But for now, let's go ahead. Let's look at the technical aspect of it and see what we got going on. So I'm going back old school. I'm using TradingView today. And we're going to start off from the higher time frame. So I'm pulling out the old school stuff. I'm going to start off on the weekly. And y'all know how we do this. We about to work. That's what we about to do today. We about to work. Okay. So y'all know that I'm looking for my 5 candle formation. And if you don't know, please go back and watch some of the older videos. They will show you and explain to you why I'm looking for this. So this will constitute my swing high. And then I'm looking for swing lows, which shows me structurally where price has the potential to reverse. Okay. So this is what I'm looking for. And people often ask, like, which ones do you choose? Like, I don't want to say that it's something that you'll learn as time goes on, but you're looking for the most obvious, the most significant places where price has reversed. Okay. So we don't have Smart Trader today. Smart Trader is giving me a little bit of trouble. So we're going to use old school, but I am on the weekly and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm looking for my swing high and swing low. And I've identified right here. Can y'all see? This is a high point. So this center candle right here is the high point. And then I got 2 candles to the left that are lower and 2 candles to the right that are lower. So I'm going to identify this as my, I'm going to identify this as a weekly zone, a significant area for the weekly zone, and taking it back old school, y'all. So I have to change. I have to change this. This is weekly. So I'm going to just mark this as weekly. And then I'm looking for my weekly support, which, if we look left, so I'm looking where price is right now. And then I'm looking back structurally. I'm not looking at time. I'm looking at where price is structurally. It looks like price is at a weekly support level. And so I'm going to stretch this across here. And I'm going to take it from the bottom of the body of this candle to the bottom of the wick, which is right here. Cool. Now, if we keep going left, y'all can see it all day. Look. Right here. This is structure. So we got our weekly level. So I'm going to go down to the daily. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm looking for my next significant high and my next significant low. So if I look at this, I have a high right here. Let me stretch this across. I have a high, I have a low, and then I have my next high, which I don't know if I want to go with that. High, low, next high. Let me zoom out so I can see. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna mark this off. I gotta delete that. I'm gonna go ahead. High, low, high. So I'm gonna mark this off here as my daily zone. And we'll stretch that across. And then I right click. So I have templates set up for the different zones. And so I'm able to easily go in and change things up. So now I'm looking for my next significant low. I got a swing low right here. If I was to drop a horizontal line, I can go back and look left, and structurally I see that this area is a significant area that price reacts to. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna get rid of this green line because I saw what I needed to see, and I'm draw me out a zone right here. This is a significant area. Excuse me, y'all. I don't mean to be coughing or clearing my throat in your ear. And let me zoom in to make sure I got that right. Oh, I did. Yep. So now I'm gonna go down to the 4 hour. I just said I'm sorry and I'm doing it again. Okay. So I'm gonna go down to the 4 hour, and what I'm looking for in the 4 hour is within the daily, I'm looking for my next significant levels. So I see a level right here visually, and then I see a level right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna draw this out and stretch that across. And I went from, let me see. Actually, I think I'm gonna move this down a bit. Yeah, so this is my 4. I'm gonna right click, go to template, and then go to 4. It changes it to the color I already have there. And then I'm looking at my next significant low, which was here. So I'm gonna go ahead, draw this across. So you see price came here, stopped. Let me zoom in. Price came down here, stopped, played around in the area, then broke through, came back up, retested, and fell off the cliff, right? So that's my 4. Now, if I want to take it down to the hourly, I can. Let me see if I see. I'm trying to see. This could be a level. This could be a level. And actually, would I move this? No. So I'm going to leave this as a daily level here, but I see a potential level. I'm just going to call this out, which will be right here. And I'm just going to call this out because we could see this come into play. And actually, I'll make this, let me go down. Hour. We'll make this hourly. Okay. So let me back out so I can see where I am, what I got going on. So on the larger picture, we done fell off the cliff. I want to put my, see, this is where Smart Trader, I got spoiled by Smart Trader. I want to see where we are in this current fib sequence on a larger scale. So this will actually probably be the weekly, looking at this. So I'm going to go from here. Actually, sorry, y'all. Let me see. I want to take this from the swing low here up to the top right here. Oh, look, y'all. So on the weekly, it looks like we are sitting at a significant level, which is the 61.8 on the level. So we had already marked off this zone in red as a potential level because of what we saw on the daily, or the, yeah. Was this a weekly? No, this was a weekly. Yeah, what we saw in the weekly. And so when I pull the fib out, this is a significant level. It's at the 61.8. So typically we see price react at this level, and we could see a U-turn, you know, to the upside This is just speaking technically. This is not looking at what's going on fundamentally. Okay. So we've already marked this area out. We know that this is a significant area. What I want to do now is I want to take a look at what we had going on. Oh, we had a double top here. So this was February of 21 and May of 21, and we fell off the cliff. So we've been in a downtrend since January. Actually, I take that back. We've been in a downtrend overall on the higher time frame since last year. But looking at this was at the end of last year. We had a push up and then we started falling off again. So the reason I like Smart Trader is because you eliminate the possibility for human error, which going into this and using fib tools, you can make a lot of mistakes, right? You can make a lot of mistakes. So I just want to see what I've done is I've drawn from my swing high to my swing low here. We got a 50% pullback. So we had A, B, we have C right here. And then price has reached a D extension. So in the higher time frame, it's my opinion that this C right here will become the new high, assuming that we get a swing low here, that this will be the new low and we'll probably see a pullback. So let's just assume, I don't want to say this is the low yet because we don't have the two candles to the left yet to make a swing low. But if this were the case, we could potentially see price doing some pulling back first. But let me go back up. So I think, let me see on the lower time frame where we are. So on the daily, so on the weekly, we've hit a D extension to the downside. I'm going to look at how you should be doing this properly. So I go from swing high to swing low to measure. So A, B, we have a pullback 38.2. So the matching target is right here at 135.128, right? So let me delete this. So that's going to be my new low. And then I'm going to go, hold on, y'all. I got to remind myself. This is why I like Smart Trader. Because I don't have to. Oh, that's my new low. Like this does it automatically. So this would be my new high right here. This would be my new low. So we have A, we have B, we got a 61.8 pullback. So the target was right here, right around 1.3. So we're actually oversold right now, I believe. We've passed the D extension. I can pull out the other tool to see. Let me go back. This is why I love Smart Trader. So we had A, B, C, and then D. So the next fib would go here, A, B, and now we got to wait for a pullback. Oh, wait, did we get it? Yes, we did. So A, B, we got to pull back to the 38.2, and price has reached a D extension. So this looks like it could be a reversal. So here, I think I'd be looking for potential buy opportunities. And on the lower time frame, I think we may see a turnaround. So what I will do, bear with me, y'all. I'm trying to work. I done got spoiled off of Smart Trader. So spoiled. I'm gonna get my array and I'm gonna go from the low. Uh-oh. That's not what I want. What am I doing? I'm sorry, y'all. I want to see buy. So I am going to draw from my last high. So I'll do an outer. Let's see. So I'm going from swing high to swing high. In order to draw my trend lines to see if I get the movement that I want. Now these trend lines that I'm drawing right here are definitely higher time frame. But I keep drawing them until I hit my target. So I'm gonna be looking for, I gotta go down. I'm gonna be looking for buys, yo, to be honest. Oh, there we go. And if I go down to a lower time frame, And look how price is playing against this trend line here. We have not gotten a break yet. So there's no entry. Not yet. I would need to see a break above the trend line and a retest. So I would need to see something like this, a break and then a retest on the backside of the trend line, right? And then I would need to see, so short term, let's see. Hold on, I gotta grab my fib tools. Where did we measure? Yeah, the stopping point was here, but I gotta use my last fib. This is why I love smart fib. Let me go back and put these on here so I can see where I am. So we got 1, 2, right? And then we got 1, 2. This would be 3, 4. We got 61.8. This was the stopping point. And so, hold on, let me delete this. On the 4 hour, I think we're going to see some type of reversal. And my thought process going down to the lower time frame is that we are at least going to see price pull back up to this daily support that was broken. And so this would be 400 and something pips, but lower term. Let me go even shorter because that's a long term play. Even shorter. Let me put this here. We stalled, then we pushed. I'm just looking at my fibs. Oh yeah. So we've hit an extension. So what I'm looking at, I did from the pullback here, A, to the low here, B. We got less than a 38.2, but price had enough momentum to carry out to the D extension here. And so, whoa. Let me see. A, B. Oh, yeah. Oh, but we finished it out. Okay. So we may see a pullback before we even get to the blue area. I think we're going to see price pull back here to this zone first. Before we can determine what's going to happen. But on the higher time frame, remember, this is a significant level. So it wouldn't surprise me if we saw like a long-term reversal. And so my view on this is I'm waiting for a potential buy opportunity on this. My rules and my criteria have to be met before I execute. But this is what I'm looking for. So this is a good 300 or so pips. It'd be dope to see this play out. It'd be super dope. What's your bias on GBPUSD? And in the comments, tell me what news happened where we saw price drop off like that. Did the US dollar get strong or the Great British Pound got weak? Let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel and you found this video helpful, please go ahead and subscribe, and then also consider giving the video a thumbs up. And then if you're looking for a no-cost group in order to learn how to sharpen this skill set, make sure you click the link below the video description that says join my no-cost Forex Facebook mastermind group. And we got some resources and tools available in there. So anyway, I appreciate you guys for watching. I am sorry that this video is super long, but I hope it was helpful for you. And then if you want to try out TradingView, make sure that you click the link below the video in order to access that trial. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video, and it won't be long before I'm back. All right, guys, have a good one. I will see y'all on the next video, and I appreciate you guys for watching.